Hello and welcome to Unit 3, Problem Solving and Proposing Solutions. Now this unit is worth 40% of your Communication 3 grade, so it is very important that you follow the instructions, read the PDF carefully, and watch each video every week. So let's begin by looking at the PDF, page 1, which lists the learning objectives of this unit. And many you will recognize are taken from Unit 1, Bloom's Taxonomy. So begin by reading page 1. On page 2, you will find our first description to answer the question, what is problem solving? There's a structure which we hope will highlight the key components of problem solving. But why is problem solving so important? And especially, why are we teaching it? Well, if you look at the information on pages 2, 3, and 4, you will see that problem solving is one of the top 10 skills required in the workforce. And this has been the case for a very long time. Take a look at the figures on page 3. As we are moving into what is known as the Fourth Industrial Revolution, it's important that students in the 21st century need a different set of skills, and it's necessary that the education system, such as Communication 3, address those skills. We're looking for you to continue to learn in new environments, to manage yourselves and adapt, and to solve complex problems that maybe you've never faced before. These are the skills of the 21st century employee. Complex problem solving is one of the core pillars of Future University's education. And on the Future University website, we have the Fund's diploma policy, which categorically highlights the need for students to solve problems. Complex problems are said to have a number of different characteristics. On page 6, you can see a diagram and a bullet point list at the bottom highlighting those characteristics. Please read them. On page 7, there are examples of each of the characteristics given the topic climate change. Read carefully the characteristics and then look at the associated example related to climate change. Do you remember in Unit 1 where you learnt about how individual differences, such as personality and goal orientation, affects learners' academic achievements? Well, individual differences also affect how people approach and solve complex problems. And on page 8, we highlight those personal characteristics. Now you have read a little bit about complex problem solving and why it's important. On page 9, you can see this week's online task is to describe your problem-solving experience. Read the instructions carefully, and there is a table for you to complete. If you're not sure what the words mean, go back through the PDF and look for the meaning of each of the different parts of the template. Okay, and we'll see you in class.